Ladies and gentlemen, this is the video guide that is about getting rid of the online scam that comes from the site Muset.live. So Muset.live is a new malicious and truly deceptive website. Currently it attacks Google Chrome and may also affect other browsers too. The pop-up Muset.live claims to be somehow related to the well-known security application, but there is no connection between these pop-ups and that well-known security program. Instead, there are some online hackers who stand behind these fake alerts. So don't trust them, don't install anything that these pop-ups suggest. Now, I would recommend that you thoroughly research your computer with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus, the reliable security software. Please get it on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and begin researching your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.